Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example of to obtain a numerical solution of a given initial value problem, which is x plus y into dy by dx is equal to 1, where the initial values given are y of 0.4 equal to 1, means x naught equal to 0.4, y naught is equal to 1. Then we need to calculate the result of y at the rate of x is equal to 0.5 correct to 4 decimal places. Okay. So very first what we do, let us take the things from a data, the provided data which is there in the example itself. Okay. So what it says, the given function x plus y is equal to dy by dx, and we know that dy by dx will be treated as f of x comma y, which is equal to 1 divided by x plus y, 1 divided by x plus y, where x naught is equal to 0.4 and y naught is equal to 1, and the step length which is not mentioned in this example, which has to be calculated. How it will be calculated? Step length says h is equal to, always we know that x1 is equal to x naught plus h. Fine. So h is equal to x minus x naught. Therefore x is the thing which is going to be obtained, that is 0.5, minus x naught is 0.4. Therefore h is equal to 0.1. Fine. Then what is to be calculated? We need to calculate the value of y of 0.5. Clear? This has to be calculated. Okay. Very first, before going for its final solution, we need to compute the value of k1, k2, k3 and k4. That has to be calculated. So let us take k1 first. K1 can be calculated by using the relation h into f of x naught comma y naught. What is the h? Which is 0.1. That into f of x naught is 0.4 comma y naught is 1. Clear? Which is nothing but 0.1 into the functional value. What is f of xy? F of xy is equal to 1 divided by x plus y. Therefore it is 1 divided by the value of x is 0.4 plus the value of y is 1. If we calculate this, then it becomes 0.1 into 1 divided by 1.4, that is equal to 0.0714, which is K1. 0.0714. Fine. Then let us calculate K2. To calculate K2, what is the formula? H into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k1 by 2, means recently obtained value, which is equal to h is 0.1, that into f of x naught is 0.4, that plus h is 0.1 divided by 2, 0.1 divided by 2 comma y naught is 1 plus k1 is 0.0714 divided by 2. Therefore k2 is equal to 0.1 into f of 0.1 into f of let us take this value. 0.1 divided by 2 will be 0.05. 0.05 plus 0.4 will be 0.45 comma 0.0714 divided by 2, that will be 0.05 1.0357, that plus 1 will be 1.0357. Okay, so that is equal to 0.1 into, what is the function? Function is 1 divided by x plus y. Therefore, it is 1 divided by x, that is 0.45, plus y is 1.0357, which is equal to, that is 0.0673, that is K2. Okay, next let us calculate K3. What is K3? K3 is equal to h into f of x naught plus h by 2, comma y naught plus K2 by 2. K2 by 2. What is h? 0.1 into f of x naught. X naught is 0.4 plus h is 0.1 divided by 2, comma y naught is 1 plus K2 is 0.0673 divided by 2. Therefore, this is 0.1 into the functional value. This is again same, that is 0.45, comma 0.0673 divided by 2. This will be 0.0335. That plus 1 will be 1.0335. Okay, which is equal to 0.1 into the function, that is 1 divided by x naught, x, that is 0.45, plus y is 0.0335, which is equal to 0.0674. This is K3. Fine. Then K4. K4 is h into f of x naught plus h, comma y naught plus K3. This is the formula. Okay. 0.1 into f of x naught. X naught is 0.4. 0.4 plus h is 0.1, comma y naught is 1 plus K3 is 0.0674. Okay, therefore K4 is equal to 0.1 into f of, let us see how much it is now. 0.4 plus 1, 0.1 is 0.5, comma this is 1.0674. Therefore, it is 0.1 into the functional value, that is 1 divided by x, that is 0.5, plus y, that is 1.0674, which is equal to, if you calculate this, it is 0.0638. This is K. Okay, then let us go for its a solution. What is its solution? Its solution can be obtained by using a relation, means the formula, that is the required solution can be obtained by using the relation y of x naught plus h is equal to y naught plus 1 divided by 6 into K1 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. Fine. So it is y of x naught is 0.4 plus h is 0.1 is equal to y naught is 1 plus 1 by 6 into K1. K1 is 0.0714 plus 2 times K2. K2 is 0.0673 plus 2 times K3, that is 0.0674 plus K4 is 0.0638. Clear? So which is equal to, this is y of 0.5. which is only required, that is equal to, let us calculate and let us see what is the value. 0.0714, let us see how much it is. This is equal to 0.714 plus 2 into 0.0673 plus 2 into 0.0674 plus 0.0638, that divided by 6, plus initial value, that is 1. So that is equal to, which is equal to 1 point, which is equal to you can see 1.067